Yo, what's up? Kalakiai, what's up, people? So I'm gonna be finally putting lights on my car. So my headlights doesn't work and my tail lights doesn't work. I decided to buy eBay LightBars. I actually saw one of the homies on his YouTube with that, and I'm tired of dealing with fucking bullshit headlights. Alright, so this is the LightBars I bought. Got from eBay. Give me the pack. Alright, they are 12 inches. Oh, I guess that's for the brackets. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the headlights. So I'm actually thinking about, you see the two eyes going right? I'm thinking about actually cutting the circle lights. Alright, so what I decided to do was take out the inside, and I'm gonna see how it looks with these on. Alright, so I thought I was gonna be cutting, but I'm not cutting. Actually, there's like some stamps on the side. You got 4 of those clamps. One. I took all that stuff out, and right now, boom. So I'm gonna see how it fits inside. Alright, so as you can see, I got the LED bar behind the circles. It's not positioned in the right spot, but I'm thinking about that way or taking out the circles and leaving just the front glass. Alright guys, so voila, that's how it's gonna be looking like. It's not the best work, but for now I'm gonna try to run it. I wanna see how it looks with the little eyes. If I don't like it with the eyes, then I'm gonna take out the eyes and just put the bar in front of behind the glass. But the way I did it was, let's see if we might need some light here. How you see the bracket? This bracket right here comes with the light bar. So what I did, I bolted it up, and the headlight, the glass headlight, comes with this strap right here, this long bolt. So I put a nut in front of it, and actually pretty steady. Like it don't move. Alright, time for the next one. See, they're on. They are. Now, moment of truth. Momento de truth. Oye, que algo. Okay. That's low beam. Ooh. The fuck? High beam. Alright, so you can see I grinded the inside, I cut the inside, cut all the little metal pieces, and I'll put the LED strip inside of it. Alright. A little down, a little. basically the way I did it with this one. This one actually turns on, but I'm gonna have to do it directly for now, so the light's gonna stay on. Alright, so I wired up the wires. It looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna see if it works. So that's how it looks on the outside. And the rear, I actually put it directly to the battery. Later on, I'm gonna put it to a switch. That's how I look the rear. So I'm running this directly to the battery. Yo, that is bright. Yo. Let's see. Look at how clear that looks. And I just turn off the lights. Woo! Yo! Alright, regular lights. So that's how regular lights work. Yo, you can barely see with these on. Alright? Hi, Bean. Woo, yo. So yeah, there you go. That's LightBars installation. And yeah, if you need any help and anything, comment down below. Or hit my Instagram. Some of y'all already know who I am. Or hit up the Hot Boy Instagram. It's always in the link in the description. So I'm in love with it. Super cheap. It was like 20 something. Yeah, like 20 something dollars. The strip, the LED strip is like I think $10 or $12. So I got my own car that I can drive at night now for under 40 bucks. And I can see rear crack. The only thing is that the rear stays on. It do not comes off. I gotta unplug it for it to come off. So that's the only part into I really like figure out how to attach it to the brake system and all that stuff. But you already know who we are, Cowboy Gang on the Gang, you know. Any questions, you already know. Comment down below. Anything, just keep comment down below. Hit the like, comment, and bro, come on, thumbs up, subscribe. So you already know who we are, Cowboy Gang on the Gang, you know.